Hey guys, it's Sam for Digital Meat, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. My current PC build is now coming to the end of its life. It's served me well since around 2012, but it's definitely time to move on now. Now, because my new PC build is going to be geared towards sort of a 3D Cinema 4D workflow, I thought it might be of particular interest to my viewers. So this is the first in a series of videos documenting this PC build. I'll be going through the parts I've chosen and the reasons why I have chosen them. Then of course the build itself, and then finally performance. So the first thing I needed to consider was my case. With a giant Noctua air cooler and two GTX 970s in my current case, things were rather cramped. And getting to the RAM or removing a drive is a huge pain in the rear end. These are the main reasons I lost my mind a little and bought this. The Thermaltake Tower 900. It's 48 by 42 centimeters and stands at 75 centimeters tall. It comes with 3 panels of tempered glass, each 5 millimeters thick, and it is a modular design allowing for easy disassemble and customization. It comes with plenty of drive slots, 2 at the front and 4 at the back. It also has room for a digital display in the front. This would usually be a fan control display. Plenty of room in the back and sides for large radiators and fans, making it ideal for water-cooled solutions. The front control and I/O panel is situated on top of the unit, which can be popped off nice and easy. In the front we have 2 built-in mounts for a pump and reservoir combo, which means there is plenty of room for a dual loop water cooling system, cooling both the CPU and the GPUs. The unit also comes with 2 140mm case fans. So here it is on my kitchen table in the flesh. Generally pleased with the build quality, apart from someone at the factory was obviously depressed beyond drugs because they shoved the drive caddy in off the rails and I had to prise it out with a screwdriver, so I was less than impressed with that. You'll also notice there that I've got a packet of wheels. Now they don't actually come with the cabinet, I ordered those from Amazon, but I just thought it would make something that heavy. I mean, it weighs 27 kilos empty, so God knows what it's going to be like when I get everything in there. So yeah, I bought some wheels there that lock as well, but when I need to go I can just clip them off and wheel it around, so that's quite handy. So yeah, that's the case that I've chosen for my build. Love to know what you think in the comments. As always, you can check me out on digitalmeat.uk, follow me on social media, and if you want some extra content or just to support Digital Meat, you can find me on Patreon. Right, cheers for listening guys, bye.